students, it's teacher Rachel here again from Happy Class. Today we are learning the short A sound, which sounds ah. Listen and repeat. Ah, ah, ah. Great job. Let's learn some words. The first word is ham, 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 ham. Ham, 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 ham. This ham is yummy. This ham is yummy. Great job. The next word is fan, 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 fan. Fan, 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 fan. This fan makes us cool. This fan makes us cool. Great job. The next word is pan, 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 pan. Pan, 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 pan. My mum cooks food with a pan. My mum cooks food with a pan. Great job. The next word is map, 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 map. Map, 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 map. I see my house on this map. I see my house on this map. Great job. The next word is mat, 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 mat. Mat, 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 mat. There is an orange mat in my house. There is an orange mat in my house. Great job. The next word is tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. This tap is working well. This tap is working well. Great job. And the next word is bat, 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 bat. This bat is black. This bat is black. Great job. The next word is bag, 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 bag. I wear my school bag to school. I wear my school bag to school. Great job. Let's do a quiz. The first sentence is, this is my school bag. Where is the school bag? Is it this one or this one? Great job. The answer is this one. This is my school bag. And the next question is, the red mat is in the living room. The red mat is in the living room. Where is the red mat? Is it this one or this one? Great job. The answer is this one. This red mat is in the living room. And the next question is, that fan is new. Where is the fan? Is the fan this one or this one? Great job. The answer is this one. That fan is new. That fan is new. Great job. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.